Hi, this is Tony from BesideTheFrontDoor.com. I want to talk to you about one of the best full sun perennials, one of my favorites. It can really tolerate that drought. You never need to water it nearly as much as everything else does. And even if it is getting a little dry, it doesn't just start browning leaves and just looking horrible. Now, another great thing, it's one of the longest blooming perennials that I've used in my garden. It's fantastic. It's a coreopsis, which means that it loves the full sun, very tolerant of poor soils. You don't have to keep on fertilizing it constantly, and it will keep on blooming for you as long as you keep on deadheading it. Actually, it'll bloom quite a bit for you even if you don't deadhead it. My favorite coreopsis is the Moonbeam. You can see how it just gets these clouds of this wonderful yellow color. There's a couple different colors available of the Moonbeam coreopsis. This one shows a bit paler on screen than it is in real life, but it is a paler yellow, almost luminescent, which is what I love. I think the name probably came from for the Moonbeam because it looks like light. But it's not overpowering. It works well with other perennials, and this super fine texture of the leaves, let's get up close so you can see how it's very tiny leaves. That's one of the reasons why it is so drought tolerant, is because even in the wind, it's not constantly losing a lot of moisture from those leaves. So this is the Moonbeam coreopsis, one of my favorite perennials for full sun. You will absolutely love it. Plays well with others as well. If this was helpful to you, please click like and subscribe and ask any questions below that I can help, or other perennials or other flowers or trees or shrubs you want to hear more about, and I'll see if I can put together a video for them. If you have any more questions about any of the plants I've talked about today, please go to BesideTheFrontDoor.com, and I'll have some of the spec sheets available for you to download and take to your local nursery if you're looking for one of them. I wanted to give a shout out to the owner of Sun Valley Garden Center, Bryce Terzian. Thank you for letting me film here. See you again next time.